Abuse, cursing, or swear words in Marathi galiyan. Like in any other language, Marathi also has many ways to abuse or curse or using swear words. In Hindi, such word is called gali. Its plural is galiyan. In Marathi, such word is called shivi. Its plural is shivya. To curse or to abuse is called as शिवी देणे or शिव्या देणे or शिवीगाळ करणे. Intention of this lesson is not to teach you Marathi Shivya but to introduce you to them so that you can be aware not to use them and get alert if someone uses it. A native Indian will already know this because most of these words are common in Marathi, Hindi, and other North Indian dialects and languages. So, this lesson is intended more for non Indians. Generally, swear words are related to private organs and unethical sexual relations. So, there are slang words or taboo words to indicate these. Let's see. Penis. Taboo words in Marathi are lund, lauda, lavada, bulla, and testicle, goti. Plural is gotia. Female sex organ, pucci, भोसडा, चूत, फोदरी, फोदी, भोक, एनस, गांड, बोचा, pubic hair, jhat. Note that this word is different from word jhad, which means tree. Pronunciation of this word is jhat. Plural is jhate. To fuck, झवणे, चोदणे, घालणे, टाकणे. Note that literal meaning of verbs घालणे, टाकणे is to put. चढणे means to climb up. These are not taboo verbs. They are very commonly used verbs, but while cursing, these are indicate used to indicate double meaning, that is to fuck. To excrete, hagane. To urinate, mutane. To get erection in penis, uthane. Again note that literal meaning of uthane is to get up. This is not a taboo verb, but while cursing, this is used with double meaning to indicate erection in penis. Prostitute, rand, वेश्या, छिनाल. पिंप, भडवा, भडव्या. ॲसहोल, गांडू, लवडू, झाटू. फूल, चुतिया, चुतिये, चुत्या. मदरफकर, मादरचोद, आई झवाड्या, आय झवाड्या, आई घाल्या, आय घाल्या. सिस्टर फकर, भेंचोद. फकर, भिकारचोट, च्युत मारीच्या, झवाड्या. सन ऑफ अ बिच, रांडेच्या, फोकनीच्या, फोदरीच्या. युअर मदर्स ॲस, तुझ्या आईची गांड. फक युअर मदर, तुझी आई झवली, आई घातली. सक माय डिक, तोंडात घे, चोख माझा लवडा. इज युअर डिक हार्ड, उठला का तुझा. टू फक वन्स ॲस, गांड मारणे. These are most commonly used swear words. There are many more words particular to different dialects in Marathi. Also, depending on social background of person or the imagination and creativity of speaker, there can be many more taboo words. Thank you.